The kids who got to stay home because of the snowstorm. The kids should be home any minute now from school. Yeah, should I put on the news to see what's going on? Because you know it's snowing outside and we're probably going to have a snowstorm. Yeah, I think you should put on the news. Okay, I will. Perfect, I put on the news. I'm going to get off my phone and wait till the kids get home. Okay, I think that sounds like a great idea. The kids get home. It's open. Hey, mommy. Hey, daddy. Hey, mommy. Hey, dad. Close door. Hey, mom. Hey, dad. Hey, mommy. Hey, daddy. Hi, kids. Mwah, 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 mwah. How was school? Good. Good. We had a test today. Yeah, and I got 2 questions wrong and all of the rest right. I got all of them right. Well, good job, kids. I'm very proud of you. I'm glad that you tried. Yeah, me too. Thank you. Thank you. No problem. What are y'all watching? We're watching the news. We're trying to see if there's going to be a snowstorm tomorrow. Oh, yeah, that reminds me. My teacher said probably we won't have school tomorrow because of the snow. Yeah, same. Yeah, I heard. I think y'all will have school tomorrow because it's not that much snowing tomorrow. So, it's not snowing that much. So I think y'all will have school tomorrow. And I don't know why your teachers would tell y'all that anyway, because they really don't know, because they're not the weather. They're a weatherman. And I think if they the other reason I think that they shouldn't tell the kids that is because that what if they get excited and then they find out that they do have school? They're going to be coming to school mad. Well, I think we don't. Yeah, same. Okay. Well, we didn't cook dinner yet, so y'all can just have some fruit right here that we made for y'all earlier. Okay. I'll get the grapes and I'll get the apple. That was good. Yeah, it was good. I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. Do you want to split the pineapple with me, babe? No, I'm good. I'm trying to pay attention to the news. Okay, well, guys, go play. Me and your dad, we're trying to watch the news. Okay. I'm gonna get the octopus. That's up there. Okay. Gets the octopus. Okay, let's play. Okay, we might have school tomorrow. We don't know right now because we're not getting that much snow right now. We're not getting that much snow right now. So it is a 90% percentage that the kids will have school tomorrow, and there's like a 20% chance that they won't have school tomorrow. But yeah, that's all for right now. I'll see y'all at 6 o'clock. Okay, I guess I'll change it to something else. You can play your game. Okay. I guess I'll go cook some dinner. Why don't we just DoorDash? No, we already spent a lot of money this week. I think we should be off just cooking. Okay. What do we have? We have, babe? What's up? Come here. Didn't you say you went to the store yesterday? Yeah, why? We don't have literally. Wait, no, you said last week, right? Yeah, why? I went to the store last week. We don't have no food. What? We have steak and chicken. That's not gonna hold us. That's not enough. That's enough for the kids, but not enough for all of us. Why don't we just give the kids something and we will eat that? Are you sure, babe? Yeah, I'm sure. They always like to DoorDash anyway, so they'll be fine. I guess you're right. Are you sure you don't want to DoorDash with them? I can eat chicken, and we can just save the steak for another day. It's fine. I'll eat the steak, and you can have the chicken if you want. And I can cook some tofu, and I think we have some more tomatoes. Okay. If we don't, we have pineapple. Okay, that's all I needed. That was easy. Okay, well, I guess I'll wash the dishes first so we can have something to eat on. Perfect. All done. Let me pour the water out the cups. Pours the water out. Perfect, all done. Now let me get the stuff out, the chicken, the meat, and some ketchup, and a pineapple, and let me go see. Hey babe, can you go see if there's some tomatoes outside, and if they are, can you grill them? But I'm playing the game. Babe, I don't have time to do all that. I don't have time to watch the chicken and the steak and cook the tomatoes. Okay, I'll do it. Thank you. No problem. Guys, I have something on that I'm watching right now, so don't turn it off. Just play with your toys. Okay? Okay, Dad. Let me see. We only have one tomato. Okay, well, can you make some? Oh, fine. Okay. And perfect. Okay, I think we should. Do you want some tofu or tomatoes? Because we have 2 more left. How about we just give the 2? Actually, no. I'll take some tofu. Just leave the 2 more there, just in case we need them for tomorrow. Okay. Turn the grill on. Cooks the tomatoes. Ha ha ha. You know, the weatherman is probably wrong. We probably will not have school tomorrow. Or Mom, if we get really excited and bother her, she might just let us skip school because she don't want to disappoint us. Wait, you're right. Mom, are we going to have school tomorrow? I don't know, kids. But what if we don't? Kids, I don't know. Just go play with your toys right now. Fine. Let's just keep bugging her, and then she'll have to let us stay home because she don't want to disappoint us. Okay. Okay, perfect. Got the tomatoes. Okay, I got the tomatoes, babe. Okay, well, the stuff is done, so you can come eat. Okay. I'm gonna eat in here, okay? Let me just pause my show. Okay, get your stuff ready. Oops. Perfect. Okay. You say you want a steak, right? Or do you want the chicken? I don't care. I like both. Okay, you'll get the steak then, because I want the chicken. Okay. And we don't need the pineapple then. Take that away. And get the tofu out. Do you want some ketchup on your steak? Yeah. Okay. And I'll put some on mine. Perfect. Here you go, babe. Thank you. Are you sure you don't want me? How about you go sit down? I'm gonna cook your tofu. Oh no, it's fine. I'm already up, so I'll cook it. I'll cook it. No. You go sit down. I'll cook it. Okay. If you say so. And let me also get some cups so we can have something to drink. Are you sure you don't want me to get the stuff? No, it's fine. You just sit down and eat. Here's your tofu. It won't fit on the plate, so she's just gonna have to hold it. And here's your stuff. Okay, perfect. Let's leave. Did you already order their food? Yeah, I ordered them Chipotle. Okay. Guys, your mom ordered you Chipotle, and right now we're eating steak, chicken, and tofu and tomatoes. So your stuff is gonna be here in a minute. Okay, okay. And Mom, what do you want? Are we skipping school tomorrow? Maybe. It's the weatherman said there's a 90% percentage that y'all are going to school tomorrow. Just stop bugging me. Fine. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna wash the dishes later. Oh, I already washed the dishes. We can wash the rest tomorrow. Just in case, you know the kids, they like to dirty up stuff at night, so just in case. Okay. Oh, great show. Thanks. When's our food gonna be here? We're hungry. Yeah, I didn't eat lunch at school because it was nasty. Well, that's on you, because we told you to pack, and you say you didn't want to pack. The only person that wanted to pack and got a lunchbox when it was back to school is Kayla. Well, still, when's the food gonna be here? It says it says, oh, it's here right now. Go open the door. Yes, it's about time. Act like this is the bag with the food in it. Guys, open the door. Fine. Or do y'all want me to open it? No, I got it. I got it. I want to feel like a grown-up. Opens the door. Thank you. It's about time that you got here with our food. Jaden! Sorry, it's the truth. I'm sorry. I got in some traffic. So I'm so sorry, Dad. I'm sorry that I wasn't quick enough. And whatever. Next time, make sure to be here with our food quicker. At school, I didn't eat lunch because it was nasty. Next time, don't ever let me go starve like that. Well, maybe your parents should feed you again. Well, they did. They gave me grapes to hold me until. But still, that wasn't enough. Jaden, you're being super rude. What is your problem? You know what? Oh my gosh, where's my wallet? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Here's here's $30 more. Thank you so much. No problem. And I'm so sorry about my kid. I did not raise him to be like that. He knows better. It's fine. I have kids too. Well, I'm pretty sure you understand then. Yup, I do. Well, have a great day. You too. And thank you so much. No problem. You are in big trouble, mister. Why would you say something like that after he worked so hard to get our food here as possible? Well, it's not my fault that he wasn't quick enough. I was hungry. That is not my problem. You should have ate lunch. Get to the table. You better eat all this food since you want to be mean to that driver. I can't believe you. I'm sorry. Don't you ever do that again. Do you understand me? Yes. Oh my gosh. Kayla, come eat. Coming. Jeez. I didn't know he was that hungry that he said that to the driver. Good gosh. Here's our food. Throws the bag away. Act like this is the toy bag now. Dang, I didn't expect him to say that to the driver. I expect him to be nice and say thank you. Yeah, I can't believe him. I get that he's hungry, but he has no right being mean to the driver like that. He could have. He was probably so mean that he could have. If we wasn't looking, he could have spat and he could have spit in our food. Yeah, he could have spit in our food if he wanted to. Yeah. Jaden, that was really rude. He probably, if we wasn't looking, he probably was gonna spit in our food. You don't know that. You're just copying what Dad and Mom is gonna say. What Dad and Mom said. I'm dead serious. That was rude. Whatever. Eats. Are we gonna have school? Don't you dare ask me, or you're going to bed early. Okay, jeez. At night. Okay, guys, it's time to take your shower and get to bed after. But we don't have school tomorrow. Guys, we already watched the news, and they already said that they still don't know about school tomorrow. So we don't know if your schools did not send out any text messages or emails. So you're gonna have to go to bed early just in case you still have school tomorrow. I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to. I don't care what y'all want to do. And Jaden, I could have ground you for being mean to that DoorDash driver. But did I? No. So you better get your act together, young man. Ugh. Get in a shower and just get to bed, okay? Hurry up. They wash up and get out. Okay, come on. It's time to get to bed. We didn't even have our snacks. Y'all said y'all didn't want snacks. Y'all are just trying to prolong getting in bed. I don't want to go to school tomorrow. Well, I'm sorry, but you have to. Or if you don't go to school tomorrow and you keep missing days, I'm gonna have to. You, me and your dad, we're gonna have to go to court, and we're probably gonna go to jail. Ugh. Good night, love y'all. I think we should head to bed too. So you know. Their beds are right up there, so if we keep having the TV on, they're gonna just be looking at the TV and not going to bed. Yeah, I think you're right, so I'm just gonna watch my phone. Okay? I'm just gonna go to bed. Okay? I'll get dressed. Get my phone. And I'm gonna also get dressed. Let me put this in a toy box. And their fake passport. I have to start packing, so because I have to leave to Texas in 3 days. Wait, in 3 days? Yeah, it's in 3 days. Oh yeah, I forgot. I thought it was tomorrow. No, it's not tomorrow. Oh, okay, good. The next morning. It turns 9 o'clock. I mean, it turns 6 o'clock. Let me check if I got any emails from their school. No, I didn't get any emails. Good. I guess they don't have... Well, let me see. What is that? Oh, they don't have school tomorrow, they said. Oh, okay. They don't have school today. Well, good. Go back to sleep. It turns 9 o'clock. Good morning, babe. Good morning. I'll wake the kids up. Okay. I'm just sit down. Kids, wake up. What? It's a snow day, Mom. Yeah. I'm gonna prank them. No, it's not. It's literally 7 o'clock in the morning. Y'all have to. I woke up late. Now, come on. Y'all have to hurry up and hurry up and take your shower. Well, brush your teeth, and you have to hurry up and get on that bus. Let's go. But Mom, it's a snow day. No, it's not a snow day. I told y'all last night. Y'all are not staying home tomorrow. Come on, let's go. But Mom, I don't want to go to school today. Yeah, we have music. I don't like music. Well, that's not my problem. Let's go. Wait, Mom. What? It's literally 9 o'clock. I got you. y'all actually don't have school today. And they also said y'all don't have school for the rest of the week because it's supposed to be snowing all week. Yes! Yes! Let's go, let's go, let's go. I guess y'all are excited. I thought y'all like school. We do, but we still don't care about going. Yeah, we like school, but we still don't care about missing school. Okay. Well, I guess y'all can go play with your toys, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna make breakfast in 5 minutes. Okay. Can we go outside and play in the snow? Y'all really want to do that? Please. Yeah, you didn't let us play in the snow over Christmas because it was too cold outside. Yeah, because it was too cold outside. It's not too cold outside now. Fine, get your coats on, and I guess y'all can go outside. Because I already got long sleeves on and pants, so I guess y'all can go outside. Just get a coat on. Okay? And mittens and gloves. Get gloves on, and Jaden and Kayla, y'all get a hat. Okay? It gets all of that, and they go outside. I guess they was excited about going outside. Yep, I guess they were. You want to play PlayStation? Sure. What do you want to play? What do you want to play? Because I'll beat you in everything. Ha ha ha. So funny. We can play this game. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Haha, you lose. Whatever, I don't care. God, bro. They play again and Jaden won. And their dad won. Haha, I won. Whatever. It's just a game anyway. I don't care. Whatever. I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. And comment down below if y'all skipped school today because of a snowstorm. I skipped school today because it was also because of a snowstorm. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.